Hey you guys, it's Dar. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you've had a great week. Happy Saturday or Friday whenever you are watching. Thank God we have made it to the weekend. So we are doing a late night trip to Dollar General because we're about to review the 5 off of 25 scenarios for this week. And I feel like we're starting this video where we always started, which is the paper aisle, because we're going to grab some paper goods in this first all digital scenario. So anyone can do the deals I'm doing today. All you have to do is create a Dollar General account if you don't already have one. Use the Dollar General app or the website, sign up, download the same digital coupons I'm going to use, plus your 5 off of 25 coupon, enter your phone number in at the register, and check out. So easy, so simple. So without further ado, let's get into our first deal. So the first item that we are going to grab in this deal is one of the 12 packs of Charmin. We're going to grab the essentials. They are $5 regular price this week, but we're going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. Next up, we're going to grab one of the 6 packs of Scott. These are actually on sale this week for $5, and we have a $1 off one digital coupon. We are also going to grab some Centrum in this deal. If you've already used your Centrum digital coupons, please remember that we also have paper coupons available for the Centrum. And if you grab this one right here that's $5, the energy one, you have to use the Centrum digital that we got first that doesn't have a size restriction in order for it to work. Oh gosh, the lights just went off in here. But if you use the one that has the 60 count plus, it will not attach to this. So just keep that in mind if you plan on using a digital. The next item we're going to grab is one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. So these are actually on sale for $3.95 this week, and we have a $1 off one digital coupon. Next up, we're going to grab one of the Eucerin lotions. So these are the 5-ounce bottles. They are $4.50 regular price. We're going to use our $3 off one digital coupon. So for a final item, I grabbed one of the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes. These are $2. We're going to use the $1 off one digital coupon on that. So this is everything completely that we're grabbing for all digital deal number one. We have one of the Charmin that is $5. We're going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. We have one of the Scott that's $5. We're going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. We have one of the Gain liquids at $3.95. We're going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. We have the Oral-B indicator toothbrush that is $2. We're going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. We have the Eucerin at $4.50. We're going to use our $3 off digital coupon. Then we have the Centrum at $5. We are going to use the $4 off one digital coupon. Our total before any digital coupons are applied should be $25.45. So that qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. So we're going to load that up along with all of those digitals, and that should take off a total of $16 in coupons, leaving our final price to pay after all of those digitals are applied at $9.45. Yes, $9.45 for our first all digital deal. So let's go on to digital deal number 2. So for the next all digital deal, we're going to grab either one of the $5 Gillette razors, or you can grab one of the $4.50 Schick if you have the digital coupon for the Schick. I don't think I downloaded that coupon in time, so I don't have that digital. So for this video, I'm going to get the Gillette razors because we have a $3 off digital coupon. But if you downloaded the Schick, grab that. This deal will be a little bit cheaper for you. Next up, we're going to grab 2 of the Nivea lip balm at $2 each. We are going to use our $2 off 2 digital coupon on these. Next up, we're going to grab one of the Gain fabric softeners. These are $3.95. We are going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. And then we're going to grab a Tide liquid laundry detergent. These are $4.95. We are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. Okay, so this is everything that we are going to grab in transaction number 2. Some items that I added that we had from the first transaction are the gain for $3.95. We're going to grab one of those and use our $1 digital coupon. We're also going to grab one of the Eucerin in this transaction. It's $4.50. We're going to use that $3 off digital. We have our Tide liquid laundry detergent for $4.95. We're going to use our $2 off 1 digital coupon. We have our 2 Nivea at $2 each, and we are going to use the $2 off 2 digital. We have our Gain liquid at $3.95. We're going to use the $1 off 1 digital coupon, and then we have the Gillette or the Schick razors. Remember to get the Schick if you have that digital coupon, because the Schick are $4.50, and you can do the $3 off digital coupon on those, or you can do the $3 Gillette digital coupon as well. So our total before our digital coupons are applied is $25.80, which is enough to use our 5 off of 25 digital coupons. So we're going to load that plus all of those other digital coupons, and that is going to take off a total of $17 in coupons, leaving us to pay only $8.80 for this second transaction. Only $8.80. This third deal is a good deal to do if you need some soap, specifically some Dial products. So our instant savings deal, where if we spend $8 on Dial, we'll save $2 instantly, is still going on. We don't have any digital coupons to use on this. I wish that we did, but even without digital coupons, it still doesn't come out to a bad deal if you need these products. So I just want to show you guys a really quick scenario that you can consider for your transaction. So in this deal, you want to pick up $8 worth of Dial. You can mix and match. You can get body wash if you prefer body wash. You can get hand soap, or you can get bar soap. So that I come out to exactly $8 even, I'm going to get 2 of the 6 packs of bar soap at $3 each. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get 2 of the $1 hand soaps to make exactly $8. So this is everything that I'm grabbing in this third all digital deal. So I have exactly $8 of the Dial. Again, I'm not going to use any digital coupons on that, but we are going to use digital coupons on the rest of these items. So I have one of the Centrum. Remember again that you need to grab it the 60 count, or use the digital coupon that I have up on the screen that doesn't have a size restriction if you were to grab one of these energies, or you can also use the paper coupons that we have in our inserts. I will have where those are listed in the written breakdown below. I have one of the Tylenol here, but in my scenario, you want to grab one of the $2 Tylenol, not these 24 count. My store is out of the $2 Tylenol. I think they have some, but they're just not restocking them. But we have a $2 off digital coupon, making those absolutely free. Then we're also going to grab the Gain fabric softener at $3.95. Use that $1 off 1 digital. We're going to grab the Gain liquid laundry detergent at $3.95 and use that $1 off 1 digital. Lord, and I forgot real quick that I needed to add in these razors once again, because our total needs to be exactly $27 or higher, because we're going to have $2 in instant savings that come off that won't qualify for the $25 for the Dial. So our total with all of these products, including the razors, you want to grab once again those Schick or Gillette razors. You want to add those in and use the $3 off digital coupon depending on which one you pick up. That should be exactly $27.40. We are going to save $2 instantly for the Dial deal, and our total after that will be $25.40. So we will be able to use our 5 off of 25 coupon plus all of those other coupons, which should take off a total of $16 in savings. That will leave our final price to pay for all 9 of these items at just $9.40. $9.40 for 9 items, which makes it about $1 per item. I think $1 per item is a great deal for any of these items. So this last deal I want to show you guys is a little bit more advanced. This is for my people who don't mind using a couple paper coupons with our digital ones. So this will be the only deal that I show you that's not all digital, but I think it's a good deal. So you guys know that we have the instant savings on the Scott paper products. These are $5 each. And then when you spend $15, you're going to save $5. You're going to save $3 instantly. So spend $15 and then you will save $3. So we're going to buy 3 of the $5 paper products. I'm going to get 2 of the tissue paper at $5 each, and I'm going to use 2 $1 off paper coupons, or you can use the 50-cent off paper coupons depending on what you have. And then I'm going to get 1 of the Scott paper towels at $5. We're going to use the $1 off digital coupon. I have 1 of the Eucerin once again, and I am going to use the $3 off digital coupon on that. It is $4.50. I have the Centrum at $5. Going to use a $4 coupon. Grab any Centrum that qualifies for your coupon. And then we have 1 of the Gain liquids at $3.95. We're going to use our $1 digital or your $1 paper coupon, just depending on what you have. So our total before digital coupons and instant savings for this deal should be $28.45. It needs to be $28 because we're going to have $3 in instant savings for the Scott. After that $3 in instant savings, our total will be $25.45. So we can use that 5 off of 25 coupon plus all of those other digitals that we just reviewed. That's going to take off a total of $16 in savings. That will leave our final out of pocket for this deal at just $9.45. Yes, $9.45, if you don't mind just throwing in a couple paper coupons. And I think that's a great deal to stock up on tissue and paper towels. All right, you guys, so I hope these digital deals were helpful for you. I have to get up out of this store. When I tell you they have turned the lights off and are trying to put me out, it is time for me to rock and roll. So I hope you have a good time shopping at Dollar General tomorrow. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and check below for written breakdowns of all of these deals. I thank y'all so much for watching, and as always, you know I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.